Hey everyone, welcome back to DigiGlobe Solutions YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of databases with a powerful tool called SQL. Whether you are a beginner or just curious, stick around because this is going to be an informative ride. So, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a programming language specially designed for managing and manipulating databases. Think of SQL as the language that lets you talk to your databases. So, why is SQL important? Well, almost every applications that deals with data uses a database, from social media platforms to e-commerce sites and banking systems. SQL is the tool that helps developers retrieve, update, and manage all the data efficiently. Let us look at some basic SQL commands. Querying data, retrieving specific information from a database using a command. It is like a select. This command retrieves data from a database. Inserting data, adding new records to database with a command like insert. This command adds new data into databases. While updating data, modifying existing records using commands like update. This modifies, right now it's existing data. And while coming to deleting data, removing records from a database with command like delete. Creating and modifying schema. Defining and changing the structure of database tables using commands like create table, alter table, and drop table. These commands form the backbone of most database interactions. Imagine you have an online store. SQL helps you manage your inventory, process orders, and keep track of customer information. For example, you can use SQL to find out which product are selling the most or to update the price of a product. In a nutshell, SQL is an essential skill for anyone working with data. It's powerful, versatile, and widely used across various industries. If you are interested in learning more, be sure to check out my other videos, whether we dive deeper into SQL commands and real world applications. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.